How to see hidden videos on YouTube playlist. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your YouTube application. Tap on your profile icon from your bottom right corner. Now go to settings. After that, go to privacy. Go to blocked contacts and then make sure you have unblocked all of them. Sometimes this can also cause problem and make your videos hidden if they have uploaded it. Now, general, and after that in this restricted section, simply disable this mode. Now all the videos will be shown in your playlist unless it is deleted by the user as itself. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.